Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a snug fit and the right settings. Put the watch on so sensors touch skin, enable wrist raise and tap to wake. Now try a single firm tap to wake the screen and swipe down from the top to open notifications. Once done, notice how force and angle change response. Small adjustments fix missed taps. Make sure your finger lands cleanly in the center of icons because accuracy beats speed when you start learning these gestures. You move on to more precise controls. Press firmly for contextual menus and extra options. That forceful press lets you access shortcuts without extra taps. Then try a two-finger tap to answer or silence calls. It's faster than opening the full control. Rotate the digital crown to scroll content, zoom, or adjust values. Rotate slowly for fine changes, faster for big jumps. Once you combine these, gestures feel intentional, and you finish by making gestures part of a workflow. Wake, swipe to the app, press for options, then use the crown to set values and confirm. If gestures misfire, make sure to adjust touch sensitivity and wrist detection in settings. That usually fixes most issues. If problems persist, restart the watch and clean the screen and your finger. Dirt and moisture are common culprits. One troubleshooting tip: recalibrate by toggling wrist raise off and on. Then practice the sequence slowly until it feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.